call the intros to these videos mishaps with Allie, because again, forgot to turn on my mic. I introed the video and then I started to move on to the first step of eye primer, dropped it, went down behind my vanity. So I bent down to get it, my fat behind, pushed my chair back, pushed over my light fixture back here, light bulb exploded, went everywhere. Can't show it to you because there was no audio. Winning! Anyway, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have received a couple of comments recently stating that I'm using all high-end makeup brands, which is truth. I've used a lot of Pat McGrath, Natasha Denona here recently, so I thought I'd bring it down a little bit again. I went to Ulta and I was looking at the ColourPop eyeshadows and I came across this little palette here called the ColourPop Nude Mood, and you guys seem to love whenever I do a ColourPop tutorial. I was totally drawn to the vibe of this palette. So the shimmers look super pretty. I'm all about these tones. So let's go ahead and jump straight on into it and hope that nothing else happens and it'll be smooth sailing from here. Please, please. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise Acid Rain Blank Canvas eyeshadow primer. You know it's my fave. Just gonna apply it with this little kabuki brush that I got forever ago on Amazon. I'm going to take my shadow shields here. I like to cut them in half and just place it here so I can have a nice sharp line with not much effort. That's the effort. So starting out, I am going to go in with this first shade right here called Bluffin', not Buffin', Bluffin', calling your bluff. Finally, a shade in a palette that I can use under my brow bone. We all know how much I love that. Just gonna take that and place it right here under the brow. It's a little more yellow tone than what I would like it to be, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Oh my gosh, I already need to wax my eyebrows. And it's been a little over a week. This eyebrow serum that I've been using, this eyebrow growth serum, it is insane at how well it works. It's by Vegamour. Been using their lash serum as well, but holy bajoli. I'm like, maybe I need to not, but like my brows, I have more hairs in my eyebrows than I have like ever had, and I'm loving it. Now going in with my JH30, I'm gonna go in with Bare to Wear and Au Natural, and I'm going to use those to start out as my transition shade. I got like this little spot right here. It's like a little bump, and I don't know if it's a mosquito bite or is it coming through here, but I just spent a week up in Yellowstone and there were a buttload of mosquitoes, like a ton. Next, I'm just gonna deepen up here with Mugged Off, and I'm going to use my JH33. Just gonna start building this up on the outer portion, or the outer half. It's a really pretty tone. And then just buffing it up into the crease. Now I'm going in with my JH34, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here called the Coca. There's definitely a lot of fallout with this. I'm concentrating this, again, just deepening up kind of what I just did, but not taking it as far in. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of fallout in these shades, like in the pan. It's not something that bothers me so much, but I know that it bothers some people, so it is worth mentioning. Now going in with my JH40, I'm gonna go in with the color Moody. And again, just deepening up. And I kind of take it along the lash line, honestly. Now I'm gonna go in with this middle golden shade called Putting on Airs with my JH41 brush, and I'm going to take this all over the the lid here. And then just using my finger, I'm gonna go in with this champagne color right here called Wink Wink. Wink Wink. I can't do it that fast. And I'm just gonna pop this more in the center to give it more of like a halo kind of vibe. And then just so I can use every single shadow in the palette, I mean, why not? I'm gonna go in with this brown shimmery shade called Lap of Lux. And I'm going to take an M210 brush. And I'm just gonna place that over here on the outer edge to blend those. Oh yeah, that completes it for sure. Blend the shimmer into the mattes. I'm gonna line my eyes with the Benefit Roller Liner in the color brown. I'm just gonna pull these bad boys off. Boom. Nice and sharp. So I'm gonna hurry and just finish up my face real quick, and then I'll be right back to finish off the lashes and the lower lash line. So I'll be right back. Okay, so everything else on my face is now done. So I'm gonna go in with the Lash Sensational Mascara and just pop this on. Then I'm gonna pop on my Ardell 3D Foam Mink lashes in 858 or 585. So now to finish up my lower lash line, I'm going to take my JH38 brush. I'm gonna go in with a mixture of Mugged Off and the Coca, and then just work that onto the lower lash line. Taking a JH43, I'm gonna go in with Moody. I'm gonna line the lower, like 2/3. And I'm just gonna grab this eyeshadow brush. It's the blending eye brush from e.l.f. Throw back here and then just go right along the bottom of all that, just to smooth that line out just a little more. Like, that's a tip I have for you. If you're feeling like it's not blending the way that you would like it to, go in with a brush like this that has no additional product on it and just buff it out. I'm really like feeling this brown moment here. So I'm actually gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Eye Kohl pencil in the color Earthquake. And I'm going to line my waterline with this. I don't usually go in with a darker color for my waterline, but I'm just feeling it right now. So I feel like it cuts, like it makes your eyes smaller, but sometimes you're just in the mood. Alright, I'm gonna set my face with my Beauty Blender Redo Spray, and I'm going to take this ColourPop highlighter in the color it's the Strobe Globe highlighter in the color Luster Dust. Just gonna take that on my Anastasia A23, and I'm gonna pop this right on. Woo! Oh dang! Hello. How you doing? Where you been? Hi. Hi, highlight. Okay, I've had this for a while. I don't know why I mixed it into like a body lotion. I was trying to make my own like Fenty like body lava. It didn't really work out too great, so I never talked about it. I'm just gonna take a little bit, put it on the inner corners. Woo! But I never really used this on my face. Like, I just bought it for that and then like kind of put it away in a drawer. Oh dang. Hi. Okay, well, I'm strobing here. That's for sure. I'm gonna go in with my lower mascara, which is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black, which is upside down. There you go. Now for lips, I'm gonna take the ColourPop lipstick in the color Still Crazy. This is like always a top pick. I swear it's like always sold out too. So I'm gonna take my Morphe lip liner in the color Backseat Love. Okay, now going in with the lipstick. I feel like it's too... I'm gonna take my Tarte lipstick in the color Beach Babe. That feels a little better to me. Okay, you guys, so that is it for the ColourPop Nude Mood eyeshadow palette. Overall, I think it's a beautiful palette. I actually thought while using it, it kind of reminded me tone-wise a little bit of the Natasha Denona Bronze palette. Do I think it's a dupe? No, it's not. But it's just an affordable option for those more like bronzy tones. So there's that. I think they performed very well. I love how they applied. I think the shimmer is just very nice. The only thing that about like ColourPop shadows, I've noticed this with like Morphe shadows as well, is that they don't last quite as long as my other shadows do, like my Viseart shadows, my Natasha Denona, my Pat McGrath. I definitely noticed that those last me all day, as where like ColourPop, Morphe, I start to lose pigmentation throughout the day. And I don't know why that is. I just think it's the formula. So, and that's probably where you're spending the money on it. And when I work like 12+ hour days, sometimes I need that longevity. So that's why I gravitate towards those, and I'm okay in spending the money because I'm getting more of a payoff. I love how we have these palettes that are more budget friendly, that everybody can access and have. So that's just kind of my overall opinion and feelings on ColourPop, kind of more budget friendly eyeshadows in general. I think this is so pretty how it turned out. You know me, I'm a sucker for these bronze and golden and champagne shimmery shades. So, and can we talk about the highlights? Hello. Where you been? Hiding in my drawer, and I just kind of put it away and forgot about it. So there's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I can't remember if it's there or there. Wherever it is, hit that button. Hit the notification bell to join the AAC, the Allie Ann clan. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.